Today I'm making white chocolate caramel treats. First, in a large pot, I'm going to add a half a cup of caramels. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of white chocolate. Then I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of heavy cream. Next, I'm just going to cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm going to turn off the heat and add 4 cups of Cheerios and mix that up until the Cheerios are coated in the white chocolate caramel mixture. Next, I have a greased and lined 8x8 pan. I'm going to add the Cheerios and spread it out. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle some white chocolate and then put these in the fridge for about a half hour to set up. After the treats were in the fridge for 30 minutes, I took them out and cut them into pieces, and here's an up-close look of the white chocolate caramel treats.